Have you ever thought about the consequences of holding in a cough? Coughing is your body's natural way of clearing the airways. It helps remove mucus, allergens, and irritants. So, what happens when you suppress this reflex? When you hold back a cough, pressure builds up in your chest. This can lead to discomfort, pain, and even dizziness. You might think it's just a minor inconvenience, but it can have real effects on your health. Coughing is especially important when you're sick. It helps expel germs and prevents infection from spreading. Holding in a cough can prolong illness and make recovery harder. What about sneezing? If you hold in a sneeze, it can also harm you. Sneezing clears nasal passages, and holding back can lead to sinus issues or even ruptured blood vessels. Thinking about breath holding? Holding your breath for too long can cause fainting or a lack of oxygen, leading to serious complications. Similarly, holding in gas can cause discomfort and bloating. Remember, your body knows best. Coughing, sneezing, breathing, these reflexes are vital. Don't ignore them. To summarize, suppressing natural functions like coughing can lead to health risks. Listen to your body. If you feel the urge to cough, let it out. If you found this information valuable, don't hesitate to share it with others. Understand the importance of these natural reflexes and stay healthy.